After purchasing a 12D model license or licenses, depending on the licenses purchased and your preferred license access method, a standalone CodeMeter or a network CodeMeter dongle, or both, will be posted to you. Standalone CodeMeter dongles can be in the form of an SD card, a stubby USB, or a long grey USB drive, and all provide multiple project access for a single user, which can be shared between users. The SD card, stubby USB, and long USB all serve the same purpose, though their application are suited to different users. A network CodeMeter dongle will be a heavier metallic USB drive, and each license on the network CodeMeter dongle will provide single project access for any user at any one time. After receiving your dongle, do not plug the dongle into your workstation yet. You must first install the dongle drivers, which requires administrator access. Dongle drivers will be required to be downloaded on any workstation which will have a 12D model CodeMeter dongle attached. Whether it is for a standalone or network dongle, the dongle drivers are the same. Like the client download link, a link to download the dongle drivers can be found on the 12D model website or through the 12D model forums. And again, we stress that the dongle drivers must be downloaded before the CodeMeter is attached to the computer, be it a local workstation or server computer. On the 12D model website, the dongle drivers can be found under Support and Updates, 12D model updates, then navigating to Dongle Driver on the side panel and clicking on the download link, which will save an executable to your downloads folder. Run this executable and enter your administrator password when prompted. If you're an older user of 12D model and are using older Weeboo dongles, please get in touch with a 12D model sales representative so that we can discuss the replacement of it with a new CodeMeter dongle. In this video, we will just be installing the CodeMeter dongle drivers. Once you have run through the CodeMeter dongle driver installation, you should receive this panel and the dongle drivers have been installed. Select Finish. On the 12D model forums, the dongle drivers can be accessed under the topic 12D model software downloads, then under the most recent 12D model version release, then under section A4. Click this link and the executable will be downloaded the same as from the website. Proceed with the installation, and when finished, you can now plug in the dongle.